Assalamu alaikum third class. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine. Today is 14th December and day is Monday. Today we have to start our new lesson which is on page number 46. The name of unit is lifestyle and the name of lesson is goods and services. Before reading this lesson, I will tell you that in this lesson we will learn what is the difference between goods and services. Goods are the things that can be touched, bought or sold are called goods. It means goods are possessions which we have. For example, toy, copy, pencil, book, these are the goods. And the services can also be bought or sold, but they cannot be touched. Services are the works done for you. Now let's read the lesson. Things that can be touched, bought or sold are called goods. For example, you can buy and sell storybooks, toys and chocolates. You can also touch them. Next paragraph is, do you know you can also buy things that you cannot actually touch? It means that some things are those which we can't touch them. They are called services and are work done for you. For example, you buy a haircut because you pay for it. It means services is the action or process of doing something for another person. Next paragraph is, when you go to the laundry and pay for the washing of your clothes, you are buying the services of the person who does the washing. It means a hair cutting salon or a laundry person provide services for you. Now class, according to these paragraphs, you have to do question number 1 or 2 on your neat copies. I will send you the answer of these questions and you have to write it on your copies neatly. This class, take out your page 46 and lesson number is 5, lifestyle, and the name of lesson is goods and services. Class, we have read about in our last lesson about goods and services. Goods are the things that can be touched, bought or sold. It means that goods are possessions. And the services is the action or process of doing something for another person. Services वो काम है जो कि हम दूसरे शख्स के लिए या दूसरे लोगों के लिए करते हैं. According to this lesson, we have read first 3 paragraphs. Today we have to read the 4th one. Okay, let's read this lesson. Read this paragraph. Sometimes you do not go to a shop to buy a service. You buy the service sitting in your home. For example, newspaper, subscription, electricity, gas and water. In this paragraph, we have read that some services are those which we can buy without leaving our home. यानी कुछ सर्विसेज ऐसी हैं जो कि हम घर बैठे हासिल कर सकते हैं या हासिल करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल न्यूज़पेपर, वो हमारे घर में, हम घर में ही हों तो हमारे पास आ जाता है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, गैस है, वाटर है. जबकि दूसरी साइड पे हम देखें जो बार्बर की सर्विसेज हैं या लॉन्ड्री की सर्विस हैं, उसके लिए हमें शॉप पे जाना पड़ता है. इट मीन्स दीज आर those services, these are services which we can buy or get without leaving our home. And these services are newspaper, electricity, gas and water. And the last line is, people who buy goods and services are called consumers. And the people who buy goods and services, these are called consumers. And according to this paragraph, class, we have to do the question number 3 of page 47 on your notebooks neatly.